What metrics do we have to measure this, like progress and delivery of value? How we measure that for the team?
Yeah. I think it's really important, especially if I think about workers that are looking for their own area to attack, right? How you build yourself in your career and what you do. What I think we do a really good job of tying together are how does the work that I'm doing impact the customers that I'm working with, right? So in the model that we have, what we're saying is, hey, our teams interact with you quickly. They're able to actually get going much faster than other teams are able to get going. We're good at gathering that context and starting the actual software development. So for us, what that means is we have to be able to turn real business value back to you quickly. I'll use a simple example and I'll kind of back into the metrics. Maybe a brand new customer needs to have a email capture page on their website because they need to gather that information to be able to then do marketing and outreach for their service, right? Super simple concept. Well, there's a version of software development that says, great, that's going to be 8 story points. We'll plan those story points in. We'll have them done over the next 2 weeks. And, we'll let you know, usually we get 5 story points done a sprint, right? So there's some simple sort of developer math that works. While that's maybe important, what we think is really important is, hey, how do we return the business value? How often are we giving you code back, software back that does the things you need your business to do? So by using metrics to say, how fast do we return that to you? You're able to say, great, every time I ask for a thing, the most important thing to my business is an email capture page. How fast do I get it back? So we use metrics there's 4 of them. One is deployment frequency. How often is our team deploying software to you, right? Just a measure of how fast you're getting things back from us. Number 2 is the lead time to a change. So you come to us and say, hey, the email page looks like this. I actually need it to be horizontal instead of vertical and do something different. Great. How fast can we interact with you to make that change and make it happen? Number 3 is how fast do we enter a bug into the system, right? If your email page doesn't actually capture emails, that's a problem. And number 4 is if we do introduce a bug, how fast can we roll it back? So the idea is more frequent, smaller deliveries to you is giving you that value quicker. And those more frequent, smaller deliveries reduce risk to the customer on any one deployment, breaking everything for a customer. And they're much faster to roll back if there is a mistake. If there is a bug that breaks the system, we can roll it back quicker and get you right back online. So instead of 2 days without capturing emails, maybe it's 10 minutes.